Affiliate marketing, a simple way to boost customer confidence. Affiliate marketing is a tried and true way to make your website turn a profit. But good affiliate marketing is not a no-hassle money spigot. You need to put in plenty of effort to make it pay off. Your efforts will be more productive, though, the more you learn about the process. To find the right affiliate marketing company, look for products that sell well. You should look at the statistics of their websites. How many people who visited the website bought something? Browse through the website yourself and see if it presents the products in a way that makes you want to buy. Try to use several affiliate programs that have the same target audience. You can provide your visitors a variety of places to go if they have plenty of links. Avoid affiliate marketing scams by doing some research before choosing an affiliate. Companies that charge you to be an affiliate are not reputable, nor are companies that require you to buy its product before becoming an affiliate. Doing a quick Google search of potential affiliates can save you from scams. If you want to make the highest payout with your affiliate marketing programs, you need to focus on content that captures the reader's attention and makes them see you as an expert with solutions. They will not just blindly click on advertising, but are more likely to click through if you are seen as an authority on the subject. Think carefully before affiliating with a product on launch day. While initial sales may seem promising, the product could be a dud over the long term, which means you're wasting valuable time and page space on a poor product. It is also easier to make income projections when selling products that perform well over the long term. Many stay-at-home parents are using affiliate marketing to make extra money or as a second income. Blogging about products and getting their blog out to the public can really earn them a decent income. Having extra time between activities is just enough to make some extra cash. Use Twitter to tweet about an affiliate offer. Affiliate links work great with Twitter because people that follow you on Twitter will usually trust your ads. Just make sure the products you are advertising are useful to your followers so you can keep those customers in the future. If you want to maximize your profits through affiliate marketing with minimal effort, ideas like these can help you out. Just remember that no particular strategy or tactic is guaranteed to work, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Keep learning to stay on top of the best affiliate marketing strategies. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.